Equal quantities of ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. First, try to clean the ginger thoroughly, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Even with garlic, peel out the outer shell and cut it into smaller pieces. Make sure the ginger and garlic are completely dry and also the blender is dry so that it lasts longer. First, add ginger. Add garlic. Add oil and close the lid. Click pulse and click medium. It's gonna beep 3 times and start pulsing at medium speed. Now I'm gonna pulse it on high speed. It's smooth enough, so I've turned it off. And now I'm gonna add turmeric and salt. And do one more quick pulse. Turn on pulse and turn on high. It's perfectly mixed, so I'm turning it off. This is a good consistency for ginger garlic paste. Now I'm gonna save this in a glass jar. Now I'm gonna add some oil on top of it. This is gonna act like a preservative, and ginger garlic will stay fresh for almost 3 months.